Welcome back to the sanctuary of longevity and cellular wisdom. I am Dr. Julian Thorne. Tonight, we are pulling back the curtain on a silent, invisible epidemic that has currently hollowed out the health of over 70% of the modern world. It is a deficiency so profound that it affects the very core of your existence, yet it is almost never tested in a standard blood panel. This deficiency leads to chronic fatigue that no amount of caffeine can fix, restless nights that leave you shattered, unexplained anxiety that tightens your chest, and a rapid, aggressive acceleration of the biological aging process. I am talking about the master mineral, magnesium. To understand the gravity of this situation, you must first imagine your body not as a static object, but as a high-performance biological machine. This machine requires over 300 distinct biochemical reactions to function every single second of your life. From the rhythmic beating of your heart to the complex repair of your DNA strands, magnesium is the spark plug that makes these life-sustaining reactions possible. It is the silent conductor of your internal orchestra. Without it, the music stops. The machine begins to grind to a painful halt. You feel it as a persistent brain fog, painful muscle cramps, and a heavy, soul-crushing sense of exhaustion. But we must ask the most important question: why is this happening to us now? Why, in an age of supposed abundance and nutritional science, are our cells starving for this basic, fundamental mineral? The answer is a global medical and agricultural scandal that few are willing to discuss. Our soil, the very foundation of our food chain, has been systematically depleted by decades of industrial farming practices. The vegetables and fruits that your grandparents ate 60 years ago contained 4 to 5 times more magnesium than the perfect-looking produce you find in your local supermarket today. We are eating more, but we are nourishing less. Furthermore, our modern lifestyle has become a sophisticated magnesium thief. Every time you experience stress, every time you consume high amounts of caffeine, refined sugar, or processed flours, your body undergoes a process called mineral dumping. Stress hormones like cortisol act like a vacuum, sucking this precious mineral out of your bones and muscles and flushing it out through your kidneys. You are not just tired because you work hard, you are being biologically depleted from the inside out by the very environment you live in. Let us look at the most critical function of magnesium: the regulation of your nervous system. In my decades of clinical experience, I often see patients trapped in a state of constant high alert. Their sympathetic nervous system, the fight or flight response, is permanently switched to the on position. This is the recipe for biological burnout. Magnesium acts as the essential brake pedal for your brain. It binds to GABA receptors, the neurotransmitters responsible for calming your mind and lowering your heart rate. Without adequate magnesium, your brain is like a high-speed car with a stuck accelerator, racing uncontrollably toward a cliff of chronic anxiety, panic attacks, and terminal insomnia. Now, let us travel deeper into the most important muscle in your entire body, your heart. Your heart is an electrical organ, and it requires a massive, consistent amount of mineral energy to maintain its perfect rhythm. Magnesium regulates the delicate balance of electrical signals that tell your heart when to contract and, more importantly, when to relax. A chronic deficiency doesn't just cause annoying palpitations or skipped beats, it causes the very walls of your arteries to stiffen and lose their elasticity. It allows calcium to build up in places it absolutely does not belong, like your soft tissues and arteries, leading to dangerous calcification and premature heart disease. When we say magnesium is life-saving, we are not using a metaphor. We are describing the guardian of your cardiovascular rhythm. But here is where the confusion and the danger begins for the average consumer. If you walk into a pharmacy today, you will see a dozen different types of magnesium. Most people, unguided, buy the cheapest bottle on the shelf, which is almost always magnesium oxide. I must be blunt with you, this is a complete waste of your hard-earned money. Magnesium oxide has an absorption rate, or bioavailability, of only about 4%. It is essentially an expensive laxative that never reaches your cells or your brain. To truly heal, you need highly specialized, bioavailable forms that the body can actually utilize. For those of you struggling with crippling anxiety, racing thoughts, and poor sleep quality, you must look for magnesium glycinate. In this form, the mineral is bound to the amino acid glycine, which possesses its own powerful calming effects on the central nervous system. It is gentle on the gut and highly effective at crossing into your tissues. However, if you are struggling with senior moments, brain fog, or are worried about cognitive decline, magnesium L-Threonate is the gold standard. It is the only form scientifically proven to effectively cross the blood-brain barrier. It is like high-octane fuel for your neurons, enhancing synaptic plasticity and memory. And for those suffering from chronic muscle tension, fibromyalgia, and low energy, magnesium malate is the key to stimulating cellular energy production within your mitochondria. I want you to consider what I call the vicious depletion cycle. When you are stressed, your body dumps magnesium to cope. As your magnesium levels drop, your nervous system becomes even more sensitive and reactive to stress. It is a downward spiral that leads directly to chronic inflammatory illnesses. Breaking this cycle is the single most important step you can take toward reclaiming your vitality and your youth. But how do you do it correctly? You cannot simply take a handful of pills and expect a miracle overnight. I recommend a very specific chronobiological protocol for my patients. Instead of taking one large dose that might upset your digestion, you should split your intake. Take a small dose of magnesium malate in the early afternoon to manage your midday cortisol spikes. Then, take a larger dose of magnesium glycinate roughly 60 to 90 minutes before bed. This prepares your brain and body for deep wave sleep, the critical window during which your brain's lymphatic system actually washes away metabolic waste and toxins. Within just 14 days of following this protocol, most people report a feeling of calm energy, the rare ability to be highly productive without the frantic, shaky edge of caffeine or stimulants. We also must address the vital synergy of minerals. In nature, nothing works in isolation. Magnesium is the conductor of a complex mineral orchestra, and it requires its lead performers, vitamin D3 and vitamin K2. There is a dangerous trend of people taking massive doses of vitamin D supplements without magnesium. This is a mistake. Your body requires magnesium to convert vitamin D into its active, usable form. If you take high-dose vitamin D while being magnesium deficient, you risk depleting your remaining magnesium stores even further. This can lead to calcium being deposited in your kidneys and arteries instead of your bones. Nature works in a delicate balance, and your supplementation must respect that balance. Look closely at your body for the warning signs. Do you see small, white spots on your fingernails? Do you experience frequent, involuntary twitches in your eyelids or the small muscles of your legs? Do you have an intense, almost uncontrollable craving for dark chocolate? These are not random quirks of your biology. These are your cells screaming for magnesium. Dark chocolate is one of the highest natural sources of this mineral, but in our depleted world, even a high cocoa diet is often not enough to overcome a deep, long-term cellular deficiency. The road to a long, healthy life is paved with minerals, not chemicals. We, as a society, spend billions of dollars on expensive anti-aging creams, cosmetic surgeries, and pharmaceutical band-aids, yet we consistently ignore the very foundation of our cellular health. You cannot build a cathedral on a foundation of sand. By restoring your magnesium levels, you are reinforcing the very structure of your life. You are protecting your DNA from oxidative stress, ensuring your heart beats with strength, and allowing your brain to rest in a state of peaceful clarity. I have a challenge for you today. I want you to commit to your cellular health for just 2 weeks. Stop buying the cheap, ineffective oxides. Switch to a high-quality, chelated magnesium glycinate. Drastically reduce the refined sugars that act as a drain on your mineral reserves. Pay close attention to your body. Watch how the quality of your dreams changes. Watch how your patience with your loved ones returns as your nervous system settles. Watch how the dark circles and the puffiness under your eyes begin to fade. This is not a miracle, it is simply the result of giving your biology the fundamental building blocks it has been starved of for years. As we close this evening's session here in the library, I want you to carry this thought with you: your health is not merely the absence of disease, it is the presence of vital energy. In a modern world that profits from you being stressed, exhausted, and distracted, taking care of your mineral balance is an act of quiet rebellion. Be a rebel for your own life. Invest in your cellular foundation today, so that your future self can live with strength and dignity. Thank you for spending this time with me. If this deep dive into the master mineral brought you value, I ask you to subscribe and share this knowledge with those you care about. There are millions of people living in a state of silent exhaustion, and your simple act of sharing could be the catalyst for someone else's healing journey. I am Dr. Julian Thorne, and I will continue to be your guide through the fascinating science of longevity. Stay balanced, stay grounded, and I will see you in our next exploration of the human mystery.